Dude, it's freaking loaded with bees.
I'm holding it back.
Oh my, dude.
Is it too full? What?
It is completely full.
Do we need another box?
I don't know. I don't. This is 3 times as big as the swarms that we captured last week or the week before or whatever.
Wow, I wish I was here when they were swarming. I would have loved to have seen it. So how do you want to do this? If
I
you
don't
want to
know.
give another shake, because I think that if she's up there, we'll want to definitely shake them down into the box.
There's a lot fanning on this edge still. There's a bunch of them that are still fanning,
Well,
so I'm not
let's give them
sure.
a few minutes, you know? Because if she's in there, they will come down.
Oh yeah. It seems to be that they're still kind of going up and collecting up on the branch a little bit, so.
Yeah, there's a few clumps.
I just don't want to disturb them if we don't have to. But if she's up there, they'll all leave this box and go back up again. Well, you want me to climb up the other side and we'll... What do you think?
I don't know. I'm almost tempted just to shake the branch.
Well, but if she's in there, you don't want her to
Right,
fly
that's
up.
if she goes to another tree, that would suck.
So I'm wondering if we ought to just hold the... What do you think? You want me to shake it?
Yeah.
Okay, don't make this end up on Funniest Home Videos.
That's what we're going for. $10,000, right? Yep. Got him?
Yep. We got some in this.
Okay. That's all good. Go ahead and walk down, John.
Okay. I was just watching.
Oh, check it out.
Yeah. I got some, but not enough, maybe. Well, we got that big clump, other than what's actually in the branch. So let's see. I think I'm almost certain we got her, because she's usually more in the middle. And you pretty much got the middle.
Yeah, that first clump was tons of bees. I mean, there's a whole
Did you
lot
feel
of
a
them.
weight change?
Oh, yeah, definitely. that thing's full of bees now. There's way more bees in this swarm, like I said, than the other 3 previous combined
put together,
even.
Yeah.
Yeah, they for sure came from that hive.